Okay, so when you're removing lashes for a fill, you're going to remove the grown out lashes. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your extension near the base. You're going to take the natural lash where it meets, and then you're going to kind of put pressure on the extension to break up the glue, and then you're going to just push it off. So it just kind of pops off. It's called the pop-off method. There's going to be sometimes one that's going to stick a little bit. So we're going to take the extension near the base, the natural lash where it meets. We're going to put a little pressure, and then we're just going to push it off so it comes right off. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed that.